Hi and welcome. This is Leon van der Westhuizen from Prime Pharma, and I'm here to present to you a brief overview of the EQ Verified Traceability software. This is a complete business management solution. So let's look how this all ties in together. You'll see that although mostly food companies, there's also like Dell computers and sealed air packaging material. So quite a broad spectrum where the software is applicable. Here's the food regulations that it applies to. HACCP is included. You can see traceability, Canada Trace, ISO 14000, Global Gap, and of course many other British and European standards from across the world. You can see that it is applied in Canada as well. So quite international. We will be able to help you with that. Here's just a brief overview of all the different portals involved. Remember, this is a modular program, so in other words, you can buy one of the modules. You can buy, for example, the quality management portal, which has included the HACCP. So if that's important to you, if you're just buying and reselling, obviously the production portal is of no importance to you. But you can also then buy the whole system, as you can see is the 6 modules or 6 portals. KPIs to the top left, of course, key performance indicators. Okay, we have a brief look here at the raw materials and purchasing summary. You can see that it's included the quality modules there, where the vendor is rated, supplier specifications adhered to. There's a non-conformance module built in, as well as the HACCP management. If we look at the production, you can see that the HACCP is included, traceability and ingredient management, document management, and non-conformance management. If you look under the red bubble there, it says yield analysis, batch level. This is a batch operated system, so it makes the traceability much easier, and also even in the process you will be able to see if yields, for example, are compliant to where they should be. Okay, the sales and order management system. You can see customer history, instant pricing history, extensive sales reporting, and this is of course also integrated with the paperless sales management system. CRM, client management, client relationship management, and the sales pipeline portal. So everything's together, it forms a pipeline, and you can easily evaluate your sales system based on this pipeline. Then the quality module that's got the HACCP included in it. You can see that it does traceability management. It's got a HACCP module, electronic document management. There's a non-conformance management, training and planning management. In other words, one example is that if a certain operator is not trained to operate a piece of equipment, and this is an automated or semi-automated system, then that person will not be able to operate that piece of equipment if they didn't have training on it. The whole system will actually stop them from using that equipment. Asset management, and that incorporates calibration of the machines, checkups, maintenance, supplier rating management, and then your audit module makes that much easier. Of course, you can see here in the little green bubble in the middle, it simplifies audits, the BRC audits, for example. The whole system is also included here, and will help you with that. Okay, here with the key performance indicators. Now this can be customized, so if there's certain performance indicators in your business that are very important to you, and that you want, for example, to set an upper and a lower limit and want to be notified if there are deviances from these limits, this can be done. You see to the top left there's an integrated messaging module, according to your business rules. To the bottom left, process limits and boundaries, like we said, upper and lower limit. Your complete documents are here. You can modify how you want the DocFlex to report, what reports are important to you, and what you want to be grouped together in that report. Okay, a brief overview. Remember that you don't have to buy all new stuff. This is a modular system. You can buy the models or modules or portals that are important to you, and also it links with your current barcode printers, links with your weighing systems, links with PDAs if you're using that, and handheld scanners if you've already got that, and it links with your accounting system. So we want to build on your current investment and not throw everything out and start over again. So please give us a try. If there are certain modules or portals that you are interested in, like production or quality, please click on the other videos where I speak about each one of them individually with a little more detail than I did in this overview. Thanks for listening. Cheers.